Hello guys, let's try to create this transition. If you like the content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe me. To not use me, I have many templates like this you can use for your presentation. Okay, let's start. At first we need to create a blank space. We have the picture. We copy the picture we have, paste it here, and then copy the picture we have and paste it here. What is the difference? The first place we paste the head of picture and the second place the down of the picture. And then we go to format background and then use this item to eyedrop the color of the background from the background of the picture. Now after creating that, we just simply copy this text. How I created this text is really easy. I use this format and then change the text field to yellow, you see, and then I just also go here and change this thing font to overdrive sunset and increase it in size. Then this is the text. We just copy that and your presentation is ready under 3 minutes. But the important thing is that which kind of transition we should put here. Let's go with morph and see the magic. Okay, if you like some kind like this, easy and fast to make, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time. Bye.